Now back down on the layout, I got something going on I thought was kind of cool. I'm moving all three of my intermodal trains at the same time. This one here is coming in to my upper intermodal terminal. Not completely done yet. And I've got one coming into the lower intermodal terminal as another train is pulling out a piggyback train. I need some my jacks down here. Ooh, they could use a little bit more power. It's a big heavy train going up my steep grade. String lining is the biggest issue down here. You got to pay attention to what you're doing. I'm probably going to have to add some helpers. This is my helper track. What I do is I break up the train in half and I add some helpers to it. But I gotta pay attention to that train over there. It's gonna rear end the other train. That's why it's hard to run three trains at once when you're by yourself. And then this one here, I gotta make sure it doesn't overrun this turn out here. So I gotta stop that train when that gets there. This one is doing just fine so far, so I can get this one going again. I like the Proto 2000s the best. They are awesome. They're heavy, they pull, they're prototypical weight. When you get the ditch lights in them, they're just so cool. See what this one looks like with the ditch lights going. Oh, it's got a Lenz decoder. Some of my decoders are Lenz Standard Plus, and they don't have the function for ditch lights. Only 4 functions, you can't flash the ditch lights. Oop, the ditch light went off on that one. That one slowed down and it needs more. She's slipping. We got some serious wheel slip down here. I'm gonna have to help that one out. We'll flash the ditch lights. It's emergency. It hasn't strung line yet. Well, it did go off down there on the turnout. If you can't reach it, you have to get it moving so you can get to a point where you can reach it. That's the unfortunate thing right here. I do have some steel signposts in here. I can get up on there if I want to, but I'd rather not. Yeah, see that. I should have put some helpers in here. But because I'm videoing this, oops, 92.49. It's gonna go overrun that turnout. Stop it, back it up. Oh. This one still needs help. Having that car off is not helping. That's a heavy train. I've got the Walters spine cars on it. It is very heavy, but it did not string line. But it could have used some helpers to get up the hill. like these Athearn spine cars. They're very expensive to find them on eBay. There's 353s right there. They're very light. They stay on track. Whereas the Walthers are heavy. It really slows your train down when you're going up a grade, trying to pull all that extra weight. See, they're still slipping. Finally, we're not slipping anymore. And there's the end of the train. And this one here has almost cleared the end. It has cleared the end of the intermodal siding, so I can stop that train. Turn off the headlight. And this one here hasn't come up to the point where I'm going to stop it yet. I can turn off the lights there. When I added that Montana rail link branch line, it really made it difficult to get back behind my rail yard. But if you want to add more track, you have to do stuff like that. We'll stop that loco right there. Oh, here's an interesting loco I did. EMD locos, you can switch parts around on them. This is an SD9 with a SD40 cab. Montana Rail Link 651. It was real cool. Modified SD9 rebuilt. Okay, we're down there. Well, you can't see it, but I can. Oh. Okay. We went a little past. But anyway, it's there. And this video is over 7 minutes long. And that's just operating 3 trains at once. What if I had gotten this coal train going, which is down here? I could have moved this into the yard here. But I had enough of 3 trains. I didn't need to add one more. Okay. Thank you.